Welcome, guys. Today we are going to learn one another interesting and useful method of file handling that is called seek method. It's really very useful. So let's look the code. Here I have written. It's very basic, very easy, and very much simple code. Okay, because now we are just learning. When you will big project, so it can expand very big code. Like we can use inside write method, tell method, and different type of methods which I will tell you further and which I have told you first. Okay, so let's start. Here first I will show you Mariam.txt. Mariam is a good girl. Okay, I have written here Mariam is a good girl. So now I will show you main.py. Here is f equal to open, then Mariam.txt. We have to open Mariam.txt, then read. We have to read. Okay, for read sign, I have written here write. Oh, sorry, R. And after that, here we have written down f dot seek 100. First, I will show you seek 10. What it means. I will tell you front what it means. When you will look the code, then you will understand yourself. Then I will explain you that what is this. What is seek method? Then front print f dot read. Okay. Now when I will read it, meaning run it, so it is a good girl. But here is written, Mariam is a good girl. Even it didn't delete behind bytes and it print front bytes. Why? Why it got like this? The answer is because we have seek 10 bytes. Look, we have used here f dot seek 10. It's meaning we have to seek 10 bytes, meaning skip 10 bytes. We don't have to delete them. We have to seek, we have to skip them. For example, if you are reading a book, you skip a line of the book and read other line. So they will not that line will not get disappear. That line will remain there. Okay? Same like this we use seek method. I hope so you are understanding that what is seek method. Now I will count first that it is right or wrong. Look. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Till 10 bytes it have seek and front bytes are got print. Okay, in console we can read them. Okay, I hope so you have understand about seek method. Now even you can say seek right. For example, if I write here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, now you will understand more properly. Then I say here seek 4. Okay, so when we will run it, so 5, 6, 7, 8. Look, now here it have seek 4 bytes. Okay, and front bytes are run here, meaning we can read them. Okay, I hope so you are understanding what is there. But in our mind, one question is if we increase that seek 10 bytes, so what will happen? Now I will show you. It will throw an error. What do you think? It will throw an error or it will seek 10 bytes without. We don't have written here 10 bytes. Okay, we have written just 8. So what will happen? Now we will check here. Wait a second. Now look. You will say what? Here is nothing. Of course, it will print nothing because there was no bytes more, meaning there were no 10 bytes that we seek them. That's why it happened nothing. Okay, like it's example that your whole book you don't read. Okay, your whole book you don't read. At the end, nothing would be there. Okay, you go in the uh, end page which is empty, so of course it will remain empty because there is not other pages, there is nothing. So that's why we use seek method. Now you will say that from this good is that we just write this for reading. But its meaning is that we just want to read, we don't want to delete. Okay, if we would use a deleter, so of course it will, sorry, if we will use write methods, of course it will delete from behind things, behind bytes. That's why we use seek method. Other than, we can use read and write method, which are also very useful for file handling. Okay, and if you want to do a little bit big code, you have, for example, if you want to read just and just some other bytes, not all the code. For example, you have here any 200 300 lines, big paragraphs. Of course you don't want to read them all. You want to look that in after these bytes, which thing I have written there. So you can use seek method. I hope so you have understand. In next video we will learn that how to find that how much time we have to seek. Okay, till how much bytes. That is called tell method. So that tell method we will look in a proper explanation and with code in next video. So for this video, this much, till next video. Allah Hafiz.